So let's take a look at what you are going to be expecting for the day on our AUDUSD. If you are yet to subscribe and you have not done that yet, guys, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, if you take a look at this our AUDUSD, you can clearly see that AUDUSD is in an uptrend move. We are having a series of higher high and an higher low, right? It is very clear that AUDUSD is in a bullish move. Now, take a look at this here, right here. So, AUDUSD, we first added this high, right? The market was able to give us a pullback, which is an higher low. Market then push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? If you take a look at your AUD also, you've gotten this higher high, and here comes the higher low. Our next movement on AUD will be another bullish move that should form a new higher high. So whatever you would want to be doing on this pair, right, be going in for the buy. So this is one of the reasons why if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button so that once we drop an update, you will not miss out on any updates. So that is to tell you that for the day, we will be expecting AUD to give us a bullish move. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just made, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any single updates, click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.